this video I am going to explain ozone depletion. It is a concept of environmental chemistry in BSc third semester of NEP syllabus. So in this video we will learn about what is ozone, then how it is made, then where it is present, then what is ozone depletion, what are the causes of ozone depletion, and the effects of ozone depletion. Let's learn one by one. Before starting the video, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe to NEP Solutions and share it with your friends. Let's start the video. Ozone. Ozone is an colorless, highly reactive gas composed of 3 oxygen atoms. Remember, ozone is made up of 3 oxygen atoms. Hence, it is called as ozone. Ozone, it is a Greek word. It is derived from the Greek word ozone, which means smell. In Greek, ozone means a distinctive smell. Then, ozone is made up of 3 oxygen atoms that we have discussed here. It is often referenced as O3, and it is present in the stratosphere. It is the second layer in the atmosphere. Do you know which is the first layer? Please comment that. Then, ozone is the product of UV radiations. Ozone is the product of UV radiations acting on dioxygen, that is O2 molecules. And the reaction is O2, which reacts with UV and it will form free oxygen atoms. These oxygen atoms combine with molecular oxygen. One free oxygen combine with molecular oxygen to form the ozone. It forms the ozone. One free oxygen reacts with molecular oxygen to form the ozone. Ozone is thermodynamically unstable and decomposes to molecular oxygen. Thus, a dynamic equilibrium exists between production and decomposition of ozone molecules. Remember here, while forming the ozone molecules, there is a equilibrium, that is dynamic equilibrium exists between the production and decomposition, and the reaction is like this: oxygen plus free oxygen atoms plus molecular oxygen, and the equilibrium reaction, then ozone is formed, O3. Here UV radiations will act. In recent years, nowadays, there have been reports of the depletion of this protective ozone. We all know that ozone protect us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. Then, ozone layer, because of the presence of certain chemicals in the stratosphere. There are so many chemicals are present in the stratosphere. That's why we are getting the protection from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. Then, the main reason for ozone depletions. Then what are the main reasons for ozone depletion? We will discuss right now. The main reason is CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon. It is a compound. And freons, these are the compounds that are non-reactive, non-flammable, non-toxic organic molecules. Because of these reasons, these are mainly used in the refrigerators, air conditioners, and other homely equipments. Once CFCs are released in the atmosphere, they mix with normal atmospheric gases. When they are released, they will mix with the atmospheric gases and eventually or gradually reach the stratosphere, that is the second layer of atmosphere. In stratosphere, what happens? They get broken down by powerful UV radiations, releasing chlorine free radical. When chlorofluorocarbon reacts with UV radiations, it will form a chlorine free radical. This is the chlorine free radical. It is a reaction number 1. And then the chlorine free radical react with the stratospheric ozone to form chlorine monoxide radicals and molecular oxygen. Chlorine free radical reacts with the ozone molecule and forms the chlorine monoxide molecules or radicals, and another molecular oxygen is formed. It is the reaction number 2. Then reaction of chlorine monoxide with atomic oxygen produces more chlorine radicals. Reaction of chlorine monoxide radicals with atomic oxygen produces more chlorine radicals. This is the reaction number 3. The chlorine radicals are continuously regenerated and cause the breakdown of ozone. Chlorine radicals are the main reason for the breakdown of ozone, that is O3. Then, thus, CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, are transporting agents for continuously generating chlorine radicals. CFCs are the main reason for generation of the chlorine radicals into stratosphere and damage the ozone layer. Chlorine free radicals directly or indirectly damage the ozone layer. Since the beginning we are talking about the ozone layer depletion. Do you know exactly what is the meaning of ozone layer depletion? Let me tell. Ozone layer depletion is the thinning of the ozone layer present in the stratosphere. Means in the beginning it is like this, thin, very thick, but when chlorine free radicals go and fall on this, it will be thinning. Its density is decreasing day by day, so hence it is called the ozone layer depletion. Now we will discuss the what are the bad effects of ozone depletion. Due to depletion, more ultraviolet radiations are coming directly to the earth, and this will result in the aging of the human skin, sunburn, skin cancer, genetic mutation, and it will kill the phytoplanktons and damage the fish productivity in the marine life. It will damage the fish productivity or fish life in the marine system. These UV radiations also destroy plant proteins. When plant proteins are destroyed, it will lead to the mutation of plant cells also. Depletion of ozone layer decreases the evaporation of surface water, and it will decrease the moisture of the soil. And when more UV radiations directly come to the earth, it will damage all the paints and fibers, and all the paints will fade faster. Do you know one fact about ozone layer depletion? One chlorine atom can destroy 1 lakh ozone molecules. One chlorine atom can destroy 1 lakh ozone molecules. Remember how dangerous it is for us. So please don't use refrigerators and air conditioners. If we use, we have to use that in a less number or less quantity, because it will be helpful for our future generations. Please save earth, save atmosphere, save water, and subscribe NEP Solutions for more videos. Thank you for watching.